Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the 120Hz refresh rate on the Samsung Galaxy S25. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, security settings, and accessibility features. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type Motion Smoothness and wait for the results to appear. You'll see options related to display settings, such as refresh rate, notification effects, and more. Step 4. After performing the search, find Motion Smoothness and tap on it. Then tap it again to access the settings. Step 5. For the last and most important step, to turn on the 120Hz refresh rate, choose Adaptive Mode and tap Apply to enable the 120Hz refresh rate. This feature automatically adjusts your screen's refresh rate for a smoother experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.